What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Cassie Nicole. I'm back with another video. So today we're doing a different series that I am starting, which is cooking with Ashley. So this is a new series that I will be starting this year in 2026. I was supposed to start it last year, but but anyways, so as y'all can see by the thumbnail, I will be making pigs in a blanket. So as y'all can see, I have this bonnet that I got yesterday. If y'all saw from my previous video, I had got a gift from y'all know. But anyways, I got that, and he got me a bonnet. Like, he must knew I needed one. Like, anyways, I have my hair put up, and yeah, I'm gonna put up on the list on what I use if y'all don't see it and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to make pigs in a blanket. So let's head on to the kitchen. Okay, y'all, so we made it to the kitchen, and now I'm about to get the pan set up and ready. So usually I use this little pizza pan, but I'm going to use aluminum foil and put it on the top. So if it somehow burns or something, it won't leave all that. So yeah, let's go get the foil. Okay, y'all, so I got the foil and that looks like the right amount. I'm just gonna flatten it. Oh, hold up. My brother is calling me, so I'll be back, guys. Alright, y'all, welcome to the kitchen. These are the things I use. I use this, the original. You can use the butterfly or whatever. But yeah, as y'all can see, I cut these in half. So, yeah. Hurry up and do this because sometimes we pop from the bag to the not.
I'm a player. Stop playing. Around the world, certified player. I'm a player. Big time player. I get it how I live. Non-stop. I'm a player. Stop playing. All around the world, certified player. From the A, the real deal McCoy. Ain't nothing hope about me. You will never get the joy. You will never get the change. You'll never see the day. Get your weight up. Don't let you.
I'm not gonna get read. This is not how this works because I feel like I'm being rushed. So usually they don't look like this. I'm showing y'all when they are done. Right now I feel to push this process because I'm actually hungry. I haven't ate since lunch. Well, I haven't ate since this. Maybe it was tired yesterday. But yeah, how was y'all been actually? My day was tiring. I woke up almost late. It was drove to school. I almost went to sleep when I was tired. But yeah, I guess I'll have a little work to do. So I'm trying to get my day with y'all by more videos and stuff like that for y'all to watch. Might not be on YouTube, but I keep it real. But like some other ones, I won't say the name, but so they just speak to the camera. I don't have to do that. I am glad to do it. I will switch my cookies out like I don't frame. So yeah.
You're recording, man. You funny. So that was good. Shut up. Where's this? Ready? What's up? They ain't gonna go back to her? What's up? Yeah. I don't know who this is.
Okay, y'all, I'm on the last two right here. See? Separate those. Yeah, this one. Like,
Ashley.
huh?
Everything's separate. Crazy. Gas and separate.
I always put them on for you for about $100.